Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an exciting product that's making waves in the world of office furniture. If you're in the market for the best office reception chair, you've come to the right place. We're talking about the Boss Office Products Box Arm Guest Chair with mahogany finish in black, 250. Before we dive into the details, take a look at this elegant chair. It's the perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality, making it an excellent choice for your reception area. Now, let's talk about what sets this chair apart. Here are some of its key features. The Boss Box Arm Guest Chair boasts a sleek contemporary design that will elevate the look of any office or reception area. This chair features black upholstery made using Curated technology. It's not only durable but also easy to clean with just a bit of soap and water. With mahogany wood finish legs, this chair offers both sturdiness and style. Despite its solid construction, it's surprisingly lightweight, weighing in at just 34 pounds. This means you can easily move it from one room to another. The chair has dimensions that cater to comfort, with a seat width of 19.5 inches and a seat depth of 20 inches. The seat height is 19 inches, ensuring that your guests are seated comfortably. Now, let's address the assembly process. Some users have mentioned that it can be a bit tricky. Here's a tip. Loosely tighten all the screws first and then slowly finish them by alternating each one. This ensures a secure and even assembly. To give you a well-rounded perspective, let's take a quick look at what customers are saying about this chair. It's important to note that it has received a 4.2 out of 5-star rating on Amazon, with most customers praising its comfort and style. For instance, one user mentions that they've been using this chair in their office for over a year, and it still looks great. They advise evenly tightening the bolts during assembly to avoid wobbling. Another customer, who bought these chairs for their dental office, reports that they've held up well for over 7 years, even with a lot of patients using them. They mention that the leather armrests have shown wear, but overall, they feel they got their money's worth. The Boss Office Products Box Arm Guest Chair is currently available on Amazon. And the best part? It's currently offered at a discounted price, so you can grab this stylish and comfortable chair at a great deal. To sum it up, the Boss Office Products Box Arm Guest Chair with mahogany finish in black, 250 is the best office reception chair you can get. It combines style, durability, and comfort to create the perfect seating solution for your reception area. That's all for today's review, folks. If you're interested in upgrading your office furniture, make sure to check out the Boss Office Products Box Arm Guest Chair. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.